Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to the Perfectly Imperfect Moms podcast, where we talk everything motherhood, money, and meaning. I'm your host, Ashley Renee, a mentor for moms, a mental health advocate, and the creator of Peacefully Paid, a system built for moms who want to earn an income without sacrificing their time or their sanity. Today's episode is not just about me sharing my story, it's about why it feels so hard for moms to win, even when we're wildly capable of success. Because if you've ever sat and thought to yourself that if I'm so driven, if I'm so capable, why does it feel impossible to get ahead right now? Then I want you to know that you're not alone and it's not your fault. Before I became a mom, I could handle pretty much anything that was thrown at me. I was always the dependable one, an overachiever, the do-it-all woman who never really let anyone down. And I was really proud of that. But as soon as I got pregnant, it was like a switch was flipped. And all that pressure that I was used to handling felt really unbearable. And I didn't want to do it anymore. I remember being halfway through my pregnancy and walking down the hall in the office I worked for, and three people needed me for something that they could clearly handle themselves. But I remember struggling to walk and thinking, is this really what I want to do for the rest of my life anymore? Do I really want to be this busy, this exhausted, and still not earning the kind of income that I wanted to be able to provide a future for my daughter? So I was already looking for ways to work less, but make more, because being a mom was something I've always wanted to be. And then as soon as she got here, it was like day and night. I did not want to go back to my old job. I did not want to go to school for a new career, especially because it meant that I would have to commute 2 hours there and back and spend an entire day in class away from my baby. And I didn't want a job that stressed me to the point that when I came home, I wasn't a good mom for my daughter. But I also knew that I wanted to be ambitious. I wanted to contribute financially. I wanted to grow as a person, in a career, as a mom, and I wanted options. Sitting around and just waiting until she got older wasn't it for me either. So I did what most women do, and I stayed up late every single night looking for ways to support my family from home. I tried remote jobs, online classes, certifications. I tried side hustles, and I found out really quick that even remote work isn't built for moms, because deadlines don't wait for nap time. Zoom meetings don't stop when you're in the middle of a meltdown, and full-time from home still means full-time. There aren't very many options out there that offers the kind of flexibility that I actually needed to be a mom first. I was completely exhausted, emotionally fried, and discouraged because I knew what I was capable of. I knew I had the work ethic and the smarts, but nothing fit the way that I actually lived, the time that I had available to give. And if we're honest, it's not that we weren't built to work as women, it's society's system not being built for us. See, capitalism rewards hustle culture, expecting us to work as if we don't have kids at home, or raising our kids as if we don't have jobs. Women are just expected to be superheroes. It doesn't really reward the woman who is healing her inner child. They don't reward being a caregiver. They don't reward the invisible labor that mothers go through every single day. And you start to wonder if you are the problem, if you're the one not doing enough, because you're struggling to keep up. You used to be so driven, and now that you're taking care of another human being, you're not capable of the same capacity. And that's the thing. That's not you. You're not lazy. You're just trying to fit a life into a system that was not designed to see you, much less support you and meet you with compassion. So that made me mad. And I kept looking. I tried things that I never thought that I would try. I got into a technology course. I tried affiliate programs. I tried digital marketing and posting on social media, all of it. And I'm naturally an introvert. I don't really leave my house much. So to me, all of it felt predatory. It was really expensive. It was usually designed for people who didn't have babies or toddlers climbing all over them while they were trying to focus on something. And eventually I found something called attraction marketing, which super simple. It's literally posting content on social media that attracts buyers to you for whatever you're promoting. So they see your content and naturally want to buy. You don't have to cold message anybody or hold inventory, especially with digital products or promoting other people's products. You don't have to create anything yourself. You just create content and you connect with people online and you earn a real income by doing that. And for the first time, I felt like I could actually breathe because it was flexible. I could do it in a total of 2 hours a day. So as a mom, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, an hour during nap time, it actually worked with my life and not against it. But most of the courses that taught you this didn't teach you how to not get so consumed in the work aspect of it. They don't teach you how to actually balance between work and life. And for a mom, that's really, really hard, especially when you're trying to earn income and support your family. So when I created Peacefully Paid, it wasn't just about earning income. It was about creating permission for myself and for other moms to stop sacrificing and actually start designing a life that works the way that we live. It's not just a course. It's a system, a solution. It's everything that I've learned along the way that has actually helped me earn income while putting motherhood first without pushing myself 40 hours a week or spending thousands of dollars up front. And I'm not somebody who gatekeeps. I want to actually help you. So there's no BS in this course. I share real life strategies that have helped me do this during nap time. It's inside a community that is supportive for moms, full of women on the same journey who actually get what you're going through. And it gives you full permission and the freedom to be able to earn an income without feeling guilty that you might be sacrificing something else in your life. Because you shouldn't have to choose between income and motherhood. You shouldn't have to sacrifice your sanity just to make an extra $100. And you definitely should not feel ashamed for wanting more than what you have. So if you're sitting there thinking, I want to contribute financially for my family, I want to grow, I just don't want to miss their life to do it, then you're my kind of mom. You're not asking for too much. You're just asking for something better. And you deserve a system that was built for you. So I would love for you to come join us inside the Perfectly Imperfect Moms community. It's free to join and it's full of moms who know exactly what it's like to want more without doing more. And when you're ready to explore the income side, check out Peacefully Paid in our community. It's a $47 roadmap made for moms like you. You don't need to hustle harder. You need a system that works for you as a mom. And trust me when I say that you've got this and you're not alone anymore. I'll see you next time.